Hi all, welcome back channel. Last two parts videos was a two-parter. We took the head off this and cleaned the head. Well, in this part we'll be getting this pulled apart and ready because I'm still not sure whether we need to or not, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Birds chirping background. Anyway, I've already done the annoying part and loosened the flywheel off, so it'll be easier to pull apart. Anyway, so we'll get straight down to it. So I've already done normal parts and cracked the flow because for those who don't have much experience or same as me find it generally annoying because the flow not pulling off. Anyway, or bolt, I can't remember. Anyway, taking this off now. There's the main nut that holds the flow on, starter pulley and the fan bit. Now, this should almost just pull straight up. Put that one back in there because I'm not entirely sure yet what's going to happen with that. Not need bigger. Still bigger. Worst comes to worst, we'll have to use the shifter again. Shifter isn't my favourite tool because it usually rounds them off. It rounds them up bits off anyway. Size small, bugger it. I hate that. It was my biggest one in here. This one should be able to do it. No. This is going to be generally not to pull off. Looks like I have to be using a shifter. Just get up to size. Put right in there, stop the flywheel from turning when you turn it, because that's another annoying thing. So what I'll do here, this may be poor quality coming. I'm not sure how well you'll see it, but I'm just got to do this so I can get her off. There you go. There's that one. Which means you should be able to come very soon. So to get this loose, what you'll want to do is just mostly put this one on like so, tighten that bit up. Just loosely. You'll just want to get a hammer or something. Just tap until she pops. That should come off soon. Bit of luck. How can we do this? I have no idea. Where's me degreaser? There we are. Just, where's that not gone? Oh, I hate losing pieces. Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm feeling me blind. Just get this. We'll put that one in there. Put that one back on. I'm surprised how easy this actually just slid off, pretty much. Not really, but how tightly it was, because that I've had a lot tighter ones before. Hopefully this should soon push off. For heaven's sake, there's a clutcher. I'm not sure how we can do this. Where's that flat blade screwdriver at? I have no idea. Here she is. I think it's moved a bit anyway. I can see a way how we can do this. Why won't it come loose? Huh, this is strange. Oh guys, I think I'll get back to you once I figure this out. Hello again everyone, we got the flywheel off and that's the magneto plate. It's looking fairly clean. We do have to remove this unfortunately in order to change it over. Should be easy enough. Not before. A few nuts and bolts, but they're in the most annoying places. Oh yeah. Anyway, don't think I'll go much further with pulling this apart yet because I'm not sure if I need to. But yeah, thought we'd get the 9 parts done. So really, it's more or less just pulling the flywheel off. Anyway, that's what the magneto plate on the 12 on this 12 looks like anyway. That's actually non-original. I wonder if someone's tinkered with this in the past. Anyway, that's the magneto plate and that's the head. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll get back to you soon. See you.